Hello everyone, it is Matt Video Productions, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a product review, but before I actually get into the video, I want to do a quick message. I hope everyone is staying safe out there due to the COVID-19 virus spreading. I'm stuck at home currently, so hopefully more videos will be coming out soon, but I'm still in the process of figuring out a school transition. Now this product was sent to me by Shanren. It is the Shanren Pocket Camera. It does 1080p GoPro style footage. It's around $85 on their website right now. There's a link in the description below, and they basically just asked me to do an honest review on the product, and they just sent it out for me. So we're gonna do an unboxing first, and then we're gonna test the product out. And here it is. It's pretty small. There we go. So we also get a couple of mounting tools in this little kit. This is the $85 one. And yes, it does have an app, so you can pair it with your phone. There's a magnetic mounting thing, which is pretty cool. Charging cable. And here's the camera itself. It's kind of just in this little paper thing. Wow, that is tiny. It's like a watch. It's basically the size of an Apple Watch. That's the best way to put it. Alright, here's some more close-up shots of the camera. I'm going to zoom in here. It's pretty small. There's the lens right there. As you can see, it's got this little clip thing down here, so you can clip it to pretty much anything. We have a power button right here, or what I believe to be a power button at least. We've got another button on the side. Then we've got a charging port and a micro SD card port. Again, it doesn't come with a micro SD card. You have to buy that separately, but they're cheap enough and readily available at your local Walmart. It's got a pretty nice little design to it. It's matte black. But again, I think the real selling point of this camera is that it's just super tiny. Definitely smaller than a GoPro or your phone. And it's pretty cheap too at $85, like I said earlier. So let's get this thing paired with the app and check it out. I've got it up here on my network. So I'm going to join this. And there's a default password to connect to your phone. I had to plug it in to charge it up. Should be connecting on my phone now, and I am connected. It says no internet connection though. Alright, I am now downloading the application that connects to the camera. And there it is. As you can see, it is connected to my phone now. Pretty easy process, and it seems to update pretty quickly. I'm going to get a micro SD card in this thing, and then we can start recording stuff. Alright, so it turns out that the camera needs to charge up for a little bit, but I got everything set up now. I don't know about the picture quality yet, but I'm staring at it through the iPhone. Doesn't look too bad at all. And let's check out the app though while this thing charges up. And then we'll go test it in the real world. Again, it's got this little clip. I'll probably just clip it onto myself, and we'll see how that turns out. So we've got a photo mode. We've also got a film mode. A miniature film mode, which I don't know what that would be. Yeah, I think we should go take some videos though. Don't know how much charged up this thing is. Doesn't seem to be a way for me to check the battery. Alright, now I'm shooting footage with the camera. But let's go outside and see what we can shoot with this thing. Alright, I am currently outside, and yeah, we're going to see how well this thing shoots video. Again, you can clip this on, but the battery is low. So I'm just going to be holding it today, because it's connected to a portable charger right now. So yeah, you can see it's almost the end of March and it snowed. So I'm pretty angry about that. And we can walk around though and kind of see what's up. See what kind of picture quality that this thing gets. It seems to be resolving quite a lot of the image pretty well. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see how well the footage looks when I get it back inside. It's a pretty wide-angle view though, 120 degrees. I don't think it's as wide as the GoPro, but again, it's definitely wide enough to be able to clip on and use as a sports camera. That's for sure. And I don't know how well the audio is recorded either or anything like that. It is a sports camera, so I'm not expecting the audio quality to be anything magnificent. But it seems to be getting a pretty high dynamic range, which is impressive, which is important for sure. For a sports camera, dynamic range is key. Being able to get lots of dark parts of the image and right parts of the image at the same time. It's kind of a test right here. Yeah, it adjusts itself pretty quickly too, so you can definitely get in there and see stuff and then quickly switch and be able to see all that stuff. Now, if you wanted to try to use this as some sort of a vlogging camera, it would be pretty easy because it does fit in your pocket and it's super small. The only thing I would be concerned about is battery life because, I mean, it's really small, it doesn't have a big battery, and I don't know, with vlogging you want to shoot all day, so you'd have to bring something to charge it up with. Alright, now I've got it recording on my actual body. I just clipped it right to my shirt. It seems to be working really well actually like this. It seems to be pretty stable, surprisingly. You can see my phone there. And if I bend over, you can see my nose probably. Yeah, there it is. And let's go outside really quick. This works really well, honestly. GoPros have like a whole system. You have to like clip it onto your body with, and this I just clip it right to my shirt, and it works really well. Just kind of staring at my phone here down there. But yeah, it picks up quite a bit of stuff like this. I don't know how it sounds. It's pretty stable, surprisingly. Let's see. Oh, my sister's door is open. Alright, so if I was going to be doing like a driving kind of thing, like technically this is hands-free, right? I'm not really using anything. I can drive around and be like doo-doo-doo, and you can actually kind of see out the windshield as well. Maybe if I clipped it more like on a hat or something, it would be even easier to see like that. But it's kind of cool. Actually really, really cool. I think that's the biggest selling point for sure with this thing, is that it's just absolutely tiny and you can clip it onto whatever you want. And it's not a big deal. Like with the GoPro, I have to get a whole head strap and I just look ridiculous. This is just, I don't think there's any way to see it on me right now, but it's just clipped right into my body. You barely even notice it walking around. So these are the different mounts that you get with the camera. You get 4 mounts. This is the clip mount that we used earlier. You can basically just clip it on to whatever you want. That's the one that came on the camera. By the way, this is what it looks like without the mount. It's kind of got like a shiny back, and it's even smaller like this. Just absolutely tiny little thing. Then we have a sticky mount. You can peel this back off and just stick it onto whatever you want, and yeah, then you can mount the camera in there. This is like a glass mount. It's like a suction cup. So you can suction on to whatever glass thing you want, and it will stay there, and you can put the camera in there. Again, it's super light, it's not going to pull it off. And then this is a magnetic mount, so you can mount it to anything that has a magnet. I know you can get a lot of magnet mounts for like inside your car or something like that. So yeah, this one would be super useful. So yeah, those are the mounts. So yeah, all in all, it's not really a bad product for the price. Its biggest selling point against the GoPro is that it's smaller than a GoPro and it's easier to attach to things than a GoPro. It's also super light compared to a GoPro, so it's not going to sag when you clip it to things. And the video quality isn't half bad either. You know, it's not going to compare to a GoPro. GoPro's been working for years to have really good video quality, but it's going to be good enough for a lot of applications, really. Not professional films or anything like that, but for YouTube quality for sure. It definitely gets the job done, and for $85, that's not a bad price, so check it out with the link in the description. I'm MV Productions. Thank you for watching. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.